I mean, where are we?
Such crystal clear water and such photographic background makes a lot of people wonder.
Oh, can you see that?
Forget foreigners. काफी इंडियंस को ही नहीं पता कि अच्छे आइलैंड्स देखने के लिए हमें कोई वीजा नहीं चाहिए. Well, it is no rocket science. Just Google how to reach Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Acha, हाँ, if you are from Delhi, there are no direct flights to Port Blair apart from these Air India flights that flies on Sunday, Tuesday and Friday. We took the Indigo flight via Kolkata which cost us 20,000 rupees per person.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel.
People are already staring. Come on, let's get out of here.
Port Blair में लैंड करने के बाद you have multiple options to get to the harbour from where your cruise will depart for the island of your choice, Havelock or Neil Island. वैसे तो आपको होटल से टैक्सी लेनी पड़ती है, पर there will be plenty of taxi drivers who will come at you asking if you want a taxi. 200 rupees per person दिया हमने for a cab. Auto drivers भी थे and they were charging 100 rupees per person. So you can choose between that.
Welcome to Andaman.
Wait, I zoom out because I have to figure out this camera thing. This is where you wait for your seafare, like your airways, your seaways. Seaways?
What is that? What is that?
Now that we are on board of our cruise to Havelock Island, let me tell you where you can book the tickets from. The link that is shown on the screen, that is where, and additionally I'm putting the link in the description so that you can check that out once you finish the video. There are 3 different cabins in the cruise. There is Premium, Deluxe and Royal. In my opinion, Premium is the best and the cheapest option. We booked Deluxe both ways because Premium was sold out. So make sure you book in advance and check in also in advance. क्योंकि काउंटर पे जब हमने check in किया तो they said we have not checked in prior, so we will be allotted seats randomly, not together. But if we paid extra, they can get 2 seats together. It was weird जब 2 seats साथ में available ही नहीं थे तो पैसे देके कैसे available हो गए? Anywho, we paid the extra and got the receipt too. Also, there is no difference in seat or comfort level when it comes to Premium or Deluxe. So book the Premium. It also has a better view when compared to the Deluxe seats on the upper deck. Now cruise में एक छोटा सा स्टोर जैसा मिलेगा जिसमें you can have chips, samosas, teas and coffees and itsy bitsy munchies. हमने वो खाया and सो गए. क्योंकि 1.5 hours की journey है, so it is a good idea to catch up on some sleep so that you are, if not fresh, at least close to fresh when you arrive at your chosen island.
Do book a cab before you come or book it via your hotel because peak season में there's not many cabs available for some reason. So this is the only place where you have to go and ask them to be a cab. Crazy, and finally we're in the cab. There we go.
And I feel I'm so tanned now.
Already I was born tan. Reach the hotel, yeah. Alright, stay tuned.
As we walk into the hotel, let me walk you through a couple of stuff. We booked Havelock Island Beach Resort, and as you can see, it is very close to the Havelock check-in, the drop-off point when you arrive in Havelock from Port Blair. Also, our scuba course institution, Dive Masters, is also 200 meters away from it. So, yay!
Our room number is 727. Crazy. I hope so. That will be. Oh. Careful, this will become. So that's our private access to beach. I won't say private beach, but yeah. Not sure. Yeah. They're not gonna give a view wala room just randomly. Gotta pay bucks for that. But anyway, not bad. कौन सा रूम से बाहर देखते रहेंगे हम. Although it would have been wonderful to wake up to sunrise. So that's our view. That's the beach if you can see. Anyway, 727. Room for 7 days. Not bad. Oh, I'm so tired, mate. So tired. It's an AC room. We paid around. How much did we pay for this, Jenny?
40 something.
So let's say 40,000 for 7 days. Not too
not
bad, no?
47 or 48. 50,000.
47 to 50,000. 50,000 for 7 days. So that would come up to 25,000 per person.
Yeah.
So not too bad. And this is peak season, just to let you guys know.
Yeah, and
So-
we can see a little bit beach.
Okie dokie. हम हो गए हैं तैयार. This is our first outing in Andaman, and we are off to Dive Masters. That is
Dive
our
Masters, yeah.
Paddy Course outlet.
Probably.
Yeah. हम just जा रहे हैं देखने के लिए है कहाँ पे. It's very close by. It's like 600 meters from our hotel. Luckily, this is our private beach, or so they say. And they have a restaurant here by the beach which is called Nemo. Nemo? Nemo, yeah. Finding Nemo. You have been here? चलो आ जाओ दिखाते हैं आपको. Yeah, of course. Then ये क्या सरप्राइज. So this is, I think, महंगा कैंडल लाइट डिनर. That is सस्ता कैंडल लाइट डिनर. उसके बगल में और सस्ते कैंडल लाइट डिनर. Oh, this is, यहाँ पे कोई शूट चल भी रहा है. So this is something nice, huh? Not too bad.
Not bad at all.
Not bad for a private beach. ये है शायद, I guess. ये तो I think that one, I guess. मैप में क्या दिखा रहा है?
मैप में ना हम
And after exploring like Dora the Explorer, हम पहुंच गए हैं
The Dive Masters.
The Dive Masters. Okay, come on, let's see. Oh, इतना बड़ा, whatever. इस साइड को लिखा है ना. See, I told you this one only. The Dive Masters.
I'm scared also.
Scared?
What comes so happy to see me?
Don't get scared. You'll scare me also. We crossed it. We saw the sea. We saw it from there.
When we went to the Dive Masters, we got to know कि वहाँ कोई नहीं था. Was this place a scam? No, you negative thinker. Apparently, every scuba dive centers take afternoon break, and rightly so. One, they start very early. Second, it is very hot during the afternoon. So we walked back to our hotel and had a few Nimbu Pani with the fabulous view on the side. Dive Masters पहुंच के we had our size check. We tried the equipments on and checked if it fit us. उसके बाद we collected our learning material, जिसको पढ़ने के बाद we had to finish 4 open book exams. Detailed information about the course will be in my next video, which will be solely focusing on the scuba course we took.
Knowledge review 2
2, 3, 4, and 5.
and
Good morning, ladies and their gents. आज है actually day 1 of our scuba diving course. कल रात we slept really late क्योंकि there was so much courses to prepare from. We're gonna quickly grab breakfast from the hotel because it's part of the package. I don't want to miss it. We're gonna have light breakfast as recommended by the dive master and head out. See you there. See you.
Having said that, in this video I will try not to dwell much into the scuba course because I'm sure not everyone here is interested in that. I mean, I'm sure a lot of you are just planning to visit Andaman for their honeymoon.
Now I know कि जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा में ऋतिक रोशन को, you know, इतना डर क्यों लगता है? To think about it, it's quite scary.
It is scary, but I want to see.
क्या?
पानी से आने के बाद ऐसे तुम भी ऐसे चुपचाप बैठ के सोचते हो?
I don't think so. वो तो ये सोच रहा था कि कैटरीना कैफ को डिनर में कैसे बुलाऊं.
नहीं. Impress
But
कैसे करूं?
let's see. एक तो वैसे थॉट्स आते हैं ना दिमाग में कि इतने बड़े बड़े जानवर दिख जाएंगे.
जानवर?
क्या होगा कैसे होगा, बट इट्स स्टिल मोस्ट सेफर एंड हार्मलेस देन लिविंग इन गुड़गांव. सो
और दोबारा से हम पहुंच गए हैं टू आवर डाइव स्कूल द डाइव मास्टर्स और यहाँ पे हम मिले सौरभ से, आवर इंस्ट्रक्टर, नाउ अ मास्टर इंस्ट्रक्टर ऑल्सो. इनसे मिलने के बाद क्या क्या हुआ हमारे साथ जानने के लिए कृपया वेट करें मेरे स्कूबा डाइविंग ब्लॉग के लिए.
You went in life cycle and there is no visibility, very bad visibility. How yesterday at one point there was
But last time when we came, no,
हाँ
there was nobody. So we just changed there in the beach.
हाँ, now it's like a proper, what do you call, commercialized.
I never expected so many people.
Yeah, it's quite a surprise for you, ना. And you are insisting कि नहीं कोई नहीं होता है, राधा नगर बीच से पूरा खाली होता है.
Oh God, looks like a Goa beach.
I know, this place looks like what do you call, कौन सा है वो, बागा है ना. बड़ी क्राउडेड है. मैं कह रहा था शादी का सीजन है.
इतना crowd expect सही होता.
कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा थोड़े बहुत लोग दिख जाएंगे, बट दिस इज लाइक प्रॉपर एवरी इंच इज कवर्ड. लाइक माय गॉड.
But the beach is beautiful, huh?
हाँ, बीच इज
See, white sand. I told you if it's empty, imagine.
हाँ, you guys must have really had a nice time. What we can do, जब चादर है ना हमारे पास, दूर कोने तक we can walk. हाँ, भूख भी लग गई. We'll have something. सिर्फ बाहर ही होता है, अंदर नहीं है कुछ. मतलब you're telling कि यहाँ पे कोई भी कैफे वैफे नहीं है इस बीच के ऊपर, which is good in a way, but हम क्या करें अब. हैप्पी ना राधानगर बीच को ऐसे देखते हुए.
इतना क्राउड नहीं एक्सपेक्ट किया था मैंने.
See, it's still empty on that side वगैरह. Still go. Even that side it's quite empty. हाँ, so it's 4:30 ना. So we'll grab something really quickly then because sun is about to come down. फिर हम कोने में जाके बैठ जाएंगे. And either there or there. क्योंकि I think sun ऐसे बैठेगा. We'll go there only. Right. Quite crowded. Quite is an understatement, but okay.
Because one of the reason is that they cannot go Elephant Island शाम को ना. It's only
Oh, Elephant Island सिर्फ शाम को होता है.
सुबह से लेकर दोपहर तक.
अच्छा.
So what did you do? शाम को.
हाँ. अच्छा, सुबह वहाँ चले जाते होंगे.
हाँ. And they come here.
शाम को यहाँ आते हैं. Makes sense. Okay. बस बादल के पीछे ना आ जाए सनसेट. So it is 4:45. बाहर जाके पानी भी लेके आए हैं. कोने में जाएंगे, चादर बिछाएंगे and we'll watch sunset. That is the plan. Hopefully the sky will clear. Oh my god, it's quite a walk, yaar. Sun is almost hitting the horizon. Aim is to get as far as possible from human beings. I know that's selfish of us, but anyway, true talent doesn't require money.
Yeah.
Okay, that's what I'm gonna say. Not like I have the talent either. ना पैसा है और ना ही
Money.
talent है. अरे ना पैसा और ना ही money.
And after finishing a half marathon to reach this spot with relatively less people, we spread out our bedsheet and sat to watch the sunset.